Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your phone number in OneXBet. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional OneXBet account, and to do so you have to click on register. Next on full. Here on full you enter all your information and then you scroll down until you see promo code. On promo code you just have to enter the promo code UTV. By using this promo code you get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you get $150. All you have to do is just to click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and next you're going to find out the setting option at the top right. So you're just going to click on it and then you scroll down until the section where you can find security settings. So you're just going to click on security settings, and now you're going to find out the option of phone number. Here, as you can see, the phone number section is activated. So what you're going to do in your case is just to click on the phone number option and insert directly a valid phone number that you're going to use for your OneXBet account. Once it's done, you'll find out that you'll be sent a code that you're just going to enter to confirm and verify your phone number on your OneXBet account, and it's as simple as that.